Hello, lovely souls. It's Greg Kuhn, your friendly law of attraction science guy, back with another dose of wisdom from the quantum field. Today, we're diving deep into a recent experience of mine, one that I believe many of you can relate to. So, get cozy, settle in, and let's chat. You know, just last night, I found myself flashing with anger. Yep, that's right. Even someone like me, a public figure who's been on this manifesting journey for quite some time, can definitely have those moments. It all started when my incredible wife, my rock and partner in this amazing journey called life, wanted to spend some time with me. She asked for my attention, and I felt my time encroached upon. I had been planning to work that evening after giving up the lion's share of my time to a home project all day. The words I said to her were, I'm planning to do something else. But what I was really saying was, how dare you now try to turn my work evening into an evening together? Do you not understand how much time I gave up for our home improvement project today? Now, here's the thing. My initial reaction was rooted in a lack of confidence in expressing my needs and wants. I knew what I wanted to do with my time, but did I communicate that effectively? Nope. I kept that to myself. But here's the beauty of these little moments, these little hiccups in our reality. They're breadcrumbs. They're breadcrumbs leading us to self discovery, growth, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. So, what did I learn from this experience? I learned that just like when I'm running, the deeper I inhale, the more thoroughly I can exhale. You see, it's all about acceptance and learning. The more information I can accept or inhale and learn from, the better equipped I am to exhale or express my needs and wants confidently. So I took a deep breath. I listened and learned. I let my reality show me what I still needed to learn about myself and my life. And guess what? You can do the same. When you inhale deeply, when you listen to learn, you're not just taking in air, you're taking in the lessons that life is offering you. And why is this so important? Well, my friends, it's because when you truly understand yourself and your needs, you become a more powerful and more intentional manifester. You can make meaningful changes to your reality and create the life you desire. Later that evening, my wonderful wife and I had a heartfelt conversation, and I did express my needs and desires. It was a beautiful moment of connection and understanding, and it only happened because I was willing to learn from that initial flash of anger. So here's the takeaway, my amazing viewers. Inhale deeply. Listen. Listen to learn and do so without judgment. Embrace every moment, even the ones that challenge you. Let your reality be your teacher, showing you the way to a more authentic and confident you. As you practice this, not only will you be able to make meaningful changes to your reality, but you'll also be able to exhale more thoroughly. You'll be more confident in asserting what you want and need in life. So let's keep following that breadcrumb trail, my wonderful manifestors. Remember, every experience is a lesson, and every breath is an opportunity to grow. Check out the links below to continue our journey together. And until next time, keep inhaling deeply, keep learning, and keep manifesting your dreams. Because you, my dear friends, have the power to shape your reality.